In this aid, we will voice our own and advertise's assessment on Cosmos' future while examining atom cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Cosmos presently gives head access to it. Before we dive profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions in the event that Cosmos is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Cosmos succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Cosmos value rise or drop? Let's rapidly toss a look at what is Cosmos and its to-date history. What is Cosmos? Cosmos markets itself as a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, which are fueled by Byzantine shortcoming lenient agreement calculations like tendermint. Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure is a component of one blockchain's agreement calculation, which makes it ready to accomplish agreement in a decentralized climate that might actually contain noxious agreement-checking hubs in it. These blockchains are fit for interoperating with one another through the Cosmos organization, the alleged web of blockchains, additionally alluded to as Cosmos Center. It is the first blockchain sent off inside the Cosmos organization, and its principal errand will be to interlink other blockchains in the environment. Tokens can be moved starting with one zone then onto the next safely and rapidly with the assistance of Cosmos Center. Cosmos organization will be based on top of three key parts. 1. Tendermint Center interfaces the system's administration and the agreement layer of the convention under a product execution known as Tendermint Center. Contains the Tendermint BFT agreement calculation and the IBC convention for center zone correspondence. 2. Application Blockchain Connection Point BFT replication of dApps in different programming dialects. ABCI is language skeptic and empowers engineers to construct the application piece of their blockchain in any language. Is the associating connection point between Tendermint Center and Cosmos SDK. 3. Cosmos SDK Advancement Asset, otherwise called Base Coin. The basic role of the SDK is to diminish the intricacies in building the ABCI for normal blockchain usefulness and permitting designers to zero in on adjustable applications inside a normalized structure. Engineers can take this fundamental casing that has implicit tokens, administration, marking, every one of the essential elements expected of a blockchain, and afterward add wanted functionalities through modules. Fundamentally, the application layer of Cosmos organization. Tendermint Center is liable for the agreement on the Cosmos Center point. Blockchains that are associated with the center point keep up with their own agreement sway without changing to Tendermint. Designers can construct their own blockchains and applications with the assistance of Cosmos SDK and run them on top of the Tendermint Center, just stressing over the application layer. ABCI utilizes an attachment convention to empower the agreement motor to oversee application state running in another agreement cycle, making Cosmos ready to help a wide assortment of digital currencies and prearranging dialects like those found in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zero Cash, CryptoNote, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. About the Tendermint calculation. Tendermint, the hidden calculation of Cosmos, is the primary transformation of evidence of stake agreement got from the useful Byzantine shortcoming lenient calculation presented by Castro and Liskov in 1999. Following a 30 extended research period, BFT-based POS conventions pseudo-haphazardly dole out a validator the option to propose new blocks during a multi-round casting a ballot cycle. Notwithstanding, committing and settling blocks relies upon a supermajority. For this situation, 66% of the majority of all validators approving the proposed block. This might take a few adjusts, or polkas, before blocks become concluded. BFT frameworks can endure up to a third of disappointments, where disappointments can incorporate inconsistent or noxious way of behaving. Cosmos value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increment. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group: tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022 1110 plus 3.02% $1477 2022 1111 2.83% $1393 2022 1112 5.17% $1360 2022 1113 2.30% $1401 2022 1114 6.51% $1341 2022 1115 7.23% $1330 2022 1116 3.91% $1378 2022 1117 plus 0.38% $1439 2022 1118 8.22% $1316 2022 1119 6.33% $1343 2022 1120 5.29% $13.58 Cosmos Value Forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 NA. 13.58% $12.39 2022 DEC. 23.54% $10.96 2023 Jan. 21.51% $11.25 2023 Feb. 16.88% $11.92 2023 Blemish. 7.80% $13.22 2023 APRA. Plus 1.51% $14.55 2023 May. Plus 7.52% $15.42 2023 June. Plus 16.20% $16.66 2023 Joel. Plus 30.45% $18.70 2023 Aug. Plus 32.62% $19.02 2023 SEP. Plus 40.82% $20.19 2023 Aug. Plus 56.00% $22.37 a TOM value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Atom coming to $36.92 in 2025. What will Atom be worth in 5 years? The cost of Atom in 5 years could lie around $34.22. Cosmos Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Cosmos will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Cosmos coming to $92.30 in 2030. What Cosmos will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Cosmos coming to $184.61 in 2040. Will Cosmos supplant,